a coal mine, going down, down. Working in a coal mine, about to slip down.
Well, hey jerks. Today we're going to fix my Miata. I think we're gonna start that back up because what we're doing is Angel's coming over and he is tired of sounding like a baby duck farting. So I think we're gonna cut off his muffler, and I am going to remove my muffler because I'm sick of it sounding like somebody shaking 40 nickels in my muffler every time I take off from a stop. And we might be trying to look at some of the smoke issues that both of us seem to be having. We're both spitting out a little bit of bluish smoke, and that might mean head gasket, but we'll see. Anyway, so he should be over in a couple minutes, and we'll take it from there. He's taking his sweet-ass time to get here.
Yes, here we go. Back to being loud.
Back to being loud, back to being annoying.
Yes.
Put it right on the lower control arm.
Why is it doing that?
What, squeaking? Harbor Freight. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm busy. Did it cut through?
Stop!
What?
What you want to do is push that.
That's
Because you can't hear me.
I
I
couldn't
said
hear
stop 18 times.
I did not hear a single thing until you just yelled. Like,
All right. You see the
Sorry, it sounded really
edge of the thing? You want to push that all the way into the pipe so that it doesn't vibrate back and forth. So this thing should be pushed hard against the pipe. Because otherwise it's going to jump around and you could hurt yourself. Push it all the way. Push it.
Well, like all the way in?
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Okay, I got you.
Whoa!
Well, that was cool.
It came off.
You sounded like a dad, like yelling at a kid.
I was.
The time is now.
Don't you want to like remove the whole thing or no?
No, I have to hear it because
Alright.
this is gonna be my first time ever hearing it with just the Borla.
Oh, okay.
That sounds really fucking good.
It must be just dust from. It's dust from the inside of your car. That sounds a lot better.
That sounds amazing, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the race car smell. Right,
All the gas?
Yeah.
Stinky.
Fuck this watch.
Oh, did you see the guy who had the piston hanging from his back? He had an actual piston hanging as his drift charm.
Really?
Yeah.
An actual piston, like
Yeah.
a Miata piston?
Yeah, I think so.
Was it like that big?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's a Miata piston. Fuck. This is almost, sexual in a way.
No, it's absolutely not sexual in any way.
This is good. It's coming if they are. Oh well, they gotta wait.
We're gonna die.
It's a fucking race car.
This is kind of how I remember your car sounding. That might be a little loud. But those pops. You actually able to reach it?
Yeah.
Oh. Barely.
That actually looks
barely
kinda
shoots
cool.
it down.
Can you get that side so I can see it?
Yeah.
Alright. Tighten it because I don't want it flying into someone's I like how you can barely hear it idling too.
But then it comes alive.
Yeah, right around 45.
about throttle position too, because like when you really step on it, it's loud.
Probably get a quarter oil in.
What do you need a quarter oil for?
Do you not hear the lifter tick?
Yes, I do hear it.
Want to hear something else?
There he goes. Bye-bye. So that's what I'm gonna hear going by my house once or twice a day, every day for the foreseeable future. Ugh. That is ugly and disgusting. Anyway, this is what mine looks like now. I just have a pipe kind of coming out of my differential. It actually sounds pretty good. Lots of popping and stuff like that. I'm going to need to put the computer back up and do a couple more data logs, because now that the exhaust is off, things are a little bit different. I think I'm running a little rich when I'm lowering the RPMs. But anyway, so that's been Fix My Miata with Angel. And that's it for today. So until the next video, thanks for subscribing. Again, I have a Instagram. It is Good Egg Miata. Wow, I should remember that I'm only silhouette when I'm shooting out that way. Anyway, so if you do that Instagram thing, Good Egg Miata, and I'll see you around. Bye.